Well, guess what I have here? I have an apple. And I am doing something very tasty with apples. Hey guys, Aaron here, lover of all things good. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something pretty tasty and interesting, a little bit of a different pairing, but if you've ever heard the saying, an apple a day will keep the doctor away, well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to be using apples combined with pork. I'm going to be grilling some pork chops outside on the barbecue, and it's going to be pretty tasty. Going to have some really interesting flavor profiles, a nice tasty marinade, some savory flavors. I'm going to be using some sauteed apples as well as some onions to really kind of round out that flavor and make it nice and balanced. Thanks again for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, turn on notifications, give me a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Remember to follow me on Instagram at lover of all things good. And as I mentioned before, I'm going to be doing a lot more videos, bringing more people involved. So if you're interested in being involved in a video, participating, collaborating, and maybe doing some cooking together, hit me up. I would love that actually.